Okay, there we go. Meal prepping is done. I've got the last cupcakes sitting in the microwave right now for 2.5 minutes. So here they are. I'm just waiting for them to cool before I pop them out. This is the lemon, easy peasy pancake mix version of cupcakes that I like. And here is the chocolate sauce I made with coconut milk, so it's cooling. As it cools, it will thicken up. Here is just prep for vegetarian lasagna this week, so it's zucchini and spinach all smushed up in the food processor, and then I'll just add cheese and some Italian seasonings or pesto and make that along with the marinara that was already made before. Tuscan chicken made in the microwave. That is for lunches for the week, so some salads and sandwiches and things like that. And in the end, I'll make a nice Tuscan flavored chicken broth with that. Here is queso, ready to go potato zucchini stacks. I like to call them, because again I will use the muffin container here and then toss them in, and they'll be nice and crispy with that. And then lastly, I used our host special, the honey garlic meatball seasoning, as a glaze over top of pork loin, which I will throw in the oven for dinner because it won't take very long with potato stacks. So this is for dinner for tonight and tomorrow. Chicken is for the week of lunches until we hit Wednesday, which then I will make the zucchini spinach lasagna for dinner for Wednesday and Thursday night. And there we go. So I've got food in essence until Thursday, maybe even Friday, depending on how we do this, along with some yummy dessert. Any questions or comments on anything, feel free to send me a message. Thanks.